right, you guys, we are going to pick the 2 winners for the 1 giveaway that was the Cherry ICEE eyeshadow palette and the Blue Raspberry ICEE eyeshadow palette. Please bear with me as my hand is holding the camera instead of the stand that it usually sits on. So if I shake a little, my deepest apologies. Anyway, let's go ahead and get that. That is the URL. It was last week's Mask Monday. Filter duplicate users. Include replies to comments. No. And then the first one is Cherry. This is for winner number 1. Let's get the comments on that. See how many we have here. There were 20 with the word cherry. Without further ado, let's get our first winner. Carolyn Parker, congratulations. Cherry on top of Nutty Buddy. Nutty Buddy ice cream sundae is the best. It's the best topping. Sorry about that. Love you, Miss Sassy. And now we're going to go ahead and I'm going to set it up real quick. Type in raspberry and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are looking for winner number 2. Now, the secret word for that one was raspberry, but a lot of people didn't realize that raspberry is not or is spelt with a P, like Paul. But that's okay. That's why I always put it up on the screen. So let's see how many we have here. All right. Sorry, you guys, that took quite a while. My internet must be slow. There were 29 that were interested in the Blue Raspberry eyeshadow palette. Let's go for winner number 2. Kiki's Cracker Jack box. Oh my gosh, Kiki, that is so awesome. Congratulations, sweetheart. Of course, the raspberry one is cute too. I'd be grateful for either. Congratulations to Carolyn Parker and Kiki's Cracker Jack box for winning the 2 ICEE eyeshadow palettes from Glamlight. So you guys give them a big, huge congratulations. And don't forget, there is always a chance to win because there's always some pretty cool and awesome giveaways that are going on now that are active and the ones that are also always coming up. So don't be discouraged. Continue to enter these giveaways. And I want to thank each and every one of you guys for your continued support. I greatly appreciate it. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. And Carolyn and Kiki, you guys now have 48 hours to get in touch with me through Instagram or through my email, which you can find down in the description box below. And I would appreciate it if you guys would, before you even submit your personal information, get a hold of me first and make sure that it's me you're talking to. That way I don't have you submitting your mailing address to somebody that's not me. All right. Okay, you guys, congratulations to Kiki and to Carolyn for winning the Cherry and the Blue Raspberry eyeshadow palettes from Glamlight. Thanks a lot, you guys. Take care. Bye.